Pipe CRM Overview. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use the CRM solution from PipeDrive. So it is going to be very easy and simple. You're going to get the opportunity to try it for free. So what you're going to do is to type in on Google pipedrive.com or PipeDrive CRM. So this is their official website, as you can see, and what we're going to do basically is going to be heading over the website. From the website, you're going to find that it is going to be very simple and also well trusted by a lot of companies like Capterra, Gartner, GitApp, and etc. So what we're going to do is to click on try for free and you're going to create your own account. I'm not going to waste our time to create the account, but so basically we are going to set up the things right away. As you can see, we are going to fill the information about yourself, about the company, and also the goals. So here, as you can see, I have signed in with a Google account or a Gmail account. It doesn't matter a lot. So it is going to be very probable that you're going to do that. Now, as you can see, the name, this is the name, which job title describes best your role. So basically, it is going to be a question of personal information. So let's say that I am going to be a sale manager, for example, or an account manager. It doesn't matter. And after that, you're going to respond to this question. Have you used a CRM before? So we are going to use, I have used spreadsheet. So also we can go ahead and add the phone number. You're going to add it. I'm not going to be adding it. So I'm going to accept the terms and services or term of service and also the privacy notice. So for the email or exclusive offer by emails, I'm not going to get them. Click on next. So as you can see, the phone number is going to be a little bit of a problem here. I hate when they demand phone numbers. So we're going to put here a phone number or a standard phone number like that. Going to click on next. Now we are going to set up our company name and everything. So basically here we're going to have something added like that. So I'm going to put everything in here. So maybe the company is going to be construction or I don't know. So I'm going to set up things in here just simple. So we are going to add some randomized goals and create our account just like that. So basically, as you can see, it is going to be very simple creating the account. Now we are going to head over this place and it is going to give you an overview into this. It is going to be named deals. Basically, it is going to be like a Kanban, and the design is going to be a Kanban, or the view is a Kanban. So we can have some lists, different lists, and we are going to have some tasks or subtasks that we can go ahead and move on here and there. Also, you can move, as you can see here, and classify them as much as you want. If you're going to be interested in add a item, click on plus and add the deal that you want. You can go ahead and fill up the contact person, organization, title, the value, and the currency. For example, I'm going to type in the USD. So this is the pipeline stage, for example. You can go ahead and select the pipeline stage, the labels. You can add an expected close date, owner, source, channel, and etc. So this is not our subject for today. I'm going to do a little bit of an overview for it. Now for the leads, which is going to be the most important thing in this platform, is going to be the main thing here. Why? Because you're going to have a messagery, or let's name it an inbox. So this inbox is going to be the business inbox. So you're going to have some leads. You can contact the clients or the persons that you're going to have interest in. And you can have, for example, live chat with them. You can have a chatbot for them, web forms, prospector, as you can see, mode in here, and etc. So basically this place or the leads are going to lead you to have a decent conversation with clients. And these conversations are going to lead you to a deal. So now let's move on to the project. which is going to be the third item here at the left side of the screen. So basically, the project is going to give you here some tools. So these tools are going to help you manage, automate, and track the work. So basically, as you can see, you're going to try it for free. So you can go ahead and try it, and the delivery, as you can see, something like this. So it is going to be resembling the Kanban of the specific deals. So I'm going to be back right there. So you're going to try it for free. Let's go ahead and activate a project right away. So normally it is not going to demand a payment, but it is okay. So this is the project. It is going to be the same as the deals, Kanban, as you can see. You can go ahead and set up here the management and also add multiple projects that you want with the title, start date, and date, the phases, and etc. So from these, you can go ahead and move the project, as you can see, for the Kanban. As you can see here, the plans. You can go ahead and add whatever you want. Now, moving on to the fourth item, which is going to be the campaign, or the fourth tool. Here we have some campaigns. You can go ahead and add or create some campaigns that will lead, or email marketing campaigns that will lead to a deal at the end of the successful operation, of course. So this is going to be very simple. You can go ahead and start it for free, and it is going to be integrated within the trial. As you can see, you're going to have a $16 per month, I think, deal like that. So what can we do in this email campaign is going to be as any email campaign or marketing campaign, website or platform that will help you to create a contacts. For example, you're going to send the email to, you're going to put your sender information, you're going to enable the queue, as you can see, factor authentication. So we have the subject, the email content, sending time, and the engagement. You can add, for example, a template, HTML editor, or create a new one for you and automate these campaigns. Now for the sales inbox, which is going to be the next item, we're going to find that we are going to have everything created from scratch. Basically, you're going to create it from your account, and it is going to integrate your current email address. For example, as you can see here, I have the Gmail address that I have opened this account with. You're going to integrate it and make it an inbox. So that means that you're going to use your email address or the professional, business, or whatever email that you have. You're going to integrate it within this platform and start using it within this platform. You're going to receive and send emails in a professional way. You're going to get more tools, some enhanced tools. As you can see, we have powerful features. So you're going to find the different type of items that will help you to set up a perfect email. Now for the activities, as you can see, it is going to be tracking whatever you have. For example, you're going to see that each one of the activities, you can go ahead and add them manually, or you can go ahead and add them automatically. Basically, it is going to be based on the team. So this specific account could be used by one person, but I rather use a team with it. Why? Because the team is going to divide, or I'm going to be dividing the work into, or use some proportion for the work for team. Why? Because I cannot manage everything in this platform together. So we can go ahead and have a team for only leads, team only for deals, a team for projects. Also, the campaigns are going to be the marketing team. So that is going to be helpful, or very helpful, to set up the things. So for the activities, you can go ahead and have different columns or different type of columns that will help you right away to set up or organize the work, or see what did you do, or what did your team do, and what they did not. So with that, you're going to have a distinguishable opinion about maybe a deal, or consider putting a deal or something that will change your mind. You're going to, let's say, express your, let's say here, a point of view depending on the activity. Now for the contacts, it is going to be a page specific for contacts. You can go ahead and have the phone number of the people, organizations, contact timeline is going to be let's say here set up for the communication. Now moving on to the last elements of the platform, you can go ahead and find that we have some insights, that we are going to have some charts, some analytics, and some numbers going on, which is going to be helping you see if you are going to reach your goals or not, see your reports, and also you can have a dashboard for everything. For the product, also in marketplace, it is going to be a place for you to place products and also link them into the campaigns that you're going to have. And for the marketplace, you can go ahead and have some integration into the platform, which is going to be like Zapier, MailChimp. You can go ahead and use these marketing platforms to boost you up. So also we have some automations and automatic assignment and documentation into this specific platform that we can export, import, or have to do within the team workload. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.